Hey everyone, Rod the Tool Guy here with Aries Tools. Today we're going to go over our electrical and multi-purpose shears lineup. I'll go over key features and benefits of the 4 pairs of shears and their applications and strengths. Give us a like and subscribe if you find this video helpful, so let's get into it. We have the Aries 21005 6-inch professional electrician shears with a sheath. We have the 21007 offset 10-inch multi-purpose shears. The 32005 7.5-inch multi-purpose shears, and the 70105 5.5-inch multi-purpose electrical shears. Both the electrical and multi-purpose shears are heavy-duty and have insulated grips. The blades are made from high-carbon stainless steel with fine serrated edges for increased grip and cutting force. The ergonomic handles fit comfortably in the left or right hand. They are reinforced with steel framing for long-lasting leverage and feature comfortable TPR grips. The grips are wide with large enough openings to accommodate workman's gloves. The 6-inch professional electrician shears with sheath are the compact solution for any electrician seeking a professional set of electrical shears. They are a ½ inch longer than the 70105 5.5-inch multi-purpose electrical shears, but as you can see, the 70105 has longer blades despite being shorter overall, and it has a Torx fastener for adjusting the tension. The 21005 comes with a sheath and keeps them clean and sharp and easy to access on the work belt or electrician's vest. The 21005 is suitable for cutting up to 12-inch AWG wire and cable. The blade notch easily cuts soft cable up to 1 AWG or 50 square millimeters. It has a notch between the handles for stripping wire and also a crimping terminal. The 70105 blade has a notch that's suitable for cutting up to 4 AWG soft metal cable. Both handles are specifically designed to be comfortable in the hand, especially during long days and hours of repetitive motion. 2 classic electrician shears with modern improvements. These shears are compact, dependable, and great for everyday carry or long hours on the job. The 21007 10-inch offset multi-purpose shears and the 32005 7.5-inch multi-purpose shears. Both are open grip with spring-loaded cutting action and each feature a locking mechanism. They both have lanyard holes for attaching a lanyard in case you're working up high or in outer space and you don't want your tools to float away. Both are made from the same heavy-duty construction. The 32005 offer a straight cutting edge with fine serrated blades. The 21007 have large offset curved blades, and the offset angle keeps your hands away from the cutting material and allows for cutting curves or sharp angles. The jaws can be locked in 3 different modes with a convenient switch. Large, which is fully open, and small, which keeps the grips closer for a quick repetitive motion and smaller hands, and closed for locking and storage. It also features a wire cutting notch above the blades. Both pairs are perfect for cutting cardboard, leather, rope, plastic, rubber, along with aluminum, copper, and iron wires, and more. Well, there you have it, folks, the Aries electrical and multi-purpose shears lineup. These shears offer versatility and durability for long hours on the job or whatever comes up around the house. If you have any questions or thoughts you'd like to share with us, please leave a comment below, and don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and ring the bell for notification. As always, thanks for watching and be safe out there.